Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the second part of this video, Advanced English Words to Sound Like Native. In this video, I will cover up 22 advanced English words to sound like a native speaker, and if you use these words, you will get the fluency in English language. So I request you to watch the full video till the end. That's gonna be very interesting and helpful for you. And one more request, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for get notified when I post a new video. Okay, so the first word will be but. But you can use however instead of saying but. Next word is wrong. Wrong. We will use incorrect instead of saying wrong. The next is go up. Go up. We can use increase instead of saying go up. At first. What will be the advanced form of this word at first? That will be initially. The next word is mad. We will use insane. Next is lucky. We can use fortunate. After that, smart. We can use intelligent. Next is cheap. Inexpensive. Another one that is small. It's a normal word. Its advanced form is diminutive. After that, right. We can use correct instead of saying right. A bit. You can use little. Next, away. We can use absent. Next is seem. We can use appear. Next is climb. What will be its advanced or formal form? That will be ascend. Next, that will be pin down. Its advanced form is determine. Next is make out. We can use discern. Next, give. We can use donate instead of saying give. Donate. Another one that is stop. We can use cease. Next word is use. We can replace it by using utilize or consume. Utilize, or it can be consume. And if you haven't checked out the first part of this video, I will give the link in the description box. You can check from there. Next, try out. We can use test. Next is idea. We can use notion. And the last one, that is want. You can use desire instead of saying want. Okay, that was the lesson. I hope that words are very helpful and useful for you, the English learners. If you use them in your daily conversation, your English fluency will be more increased day by day. So, if you like the video, give your like by clicking the like icon, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting those kinds of videos more. Thanks for watching.